Hello sir, my name is Eng Shiro, number matrix 70722. Today I would like to present about the FYP1. My topic is the relationship of green human resource management practice toward organization commitment in agri-food sector in Cebu. Now we look at the background of the study. Many firms have incorporated HRM practices that are aimed at promoting environmental sustainability with a key focus on reducing environmental pollution and environmental. Green human resource practice create various advantages for enterprise, such as improving productivity in the same industry, talent retention, reducing costs and creating competitive advantage. Improve business sustainability and employees' happiness. The government in Pakistan have taken intention for future development the agri-food sector with almost focus on the dairy industry. The organization are of the view that the role of human resource is assisting to maintain the competitiveness of the business. The purpose of green HRM practice is to reduce pollution to the environment. The practice of green HRM can improve organization commitment to the organization, which is due to the social responsibility formed by the employees under the long-term social influence. The problem statement of this study is some scholars have explored the implementation of green HRM to test its effectiveness in improving enterprise performance in different geographical and organizational environments, which has led to different research results. According to Jabrod and the South Jabrod, there is currently a lack of a more comprehensive model to estimate the effectiveness of green HRM and performance simultaneously. There are rare studies that have attempted to explore the association among green human resource management and organization commitment in the existing literature. The general objective of this study is the relationship between green HRM practice and organization commitment in the agri-food sector in Cebu. The first research objective is to investigate the relationship between GHRM practice and effective commitment. Second is to investigate the relationship between GHRM practice and continuous commitment. The third is to investigate the relationship between GHRM practice and normative commitment. The first research question is there is positive relationship between GHRM practice and effective commitment. Second, there is a positive relationship between GHRM practice and continuous commitment. Third is there is positive relationship between GHRM practice and normative commitment. Scope of study is the focus and scope that researchers do this identify the relationship of GHRM practice to organization commitment in agri-food sector in Cebu. This is because GHRM practice have a certain impact on organization commitment either in a positive or negative way. This study attempts to measure the relationship of GHRM practice to organization commitment on the development of the food industry through AMO theory. The research must be done to ensure that this research can provide others with more information about the GHRM practice through organization commitment in the agri-food sector in Cebu. Significance of study. The purpose of this research project is to provide more reference for future research on the adoption of GHRM practice and organization commitment. Green human resource management practice actually started in the 19th century but has only been implemented in our country in the last few years. Implementing Green HRM practice through organization commitment. The reform of green human resource management can add value of the company product, but also help the organization to save costs and fulfill its commitment. Okay, chapter 2 is about the literature review. Green human resource management. According to KP, GHRM encompasses all HRM processes put in place to guarantee an organization environmental friendly is balanced. Green management is described as the process by which business manage the environment by adopting environmental management strategy. GHRM advocate business must strike a balance between industry expansion and environmental preservation in order for future generations to prosper. GHRM and organization commitment. The process through which Green Human Resource Management create the employees' commitment start from almost every employee, organization, touchpoint, and interface. The commitment generates from the perceived green practice of the organization so that employees can also promote green and sustainable practice through the organization's operation and offering. The commitment of employees generated by employees actively engaging in the eco-friendly practice that can help them to satisfy the social and psychological needs of sustaining the environment. Organization commitment. There are three elements of organization commitment. There are affective commitment, and continuous commitment, and normative commitment. Affective commitment is described as employee identification and participation in the organization. Continuing commitment stems from an employee assessment of the respective costs and benefits of staying or leaving the organization. This form of commitment should increase over time. Normative commitment is mainly employees' recognition of the social responsibility of the organization. The proposed theory is AMO theory. AMO theory group distinct but interrelated HR practices according to ability, motivation, opportunity. GHRM include green recruitment and selection, green training and development, which are targeted through impact of GHRM and employees' performance, ensure the skill and knowledge of successful implementation and achievement of specific tasks. Chapter 3 is about the methodology. The research design is quantitative research. We're using Likert scale to inside the questionnaire. For the population and the sampling procedure, 384 respondents will be included in the study, who are randomly selected employees from the agri-food sector in Cebu. The questionnaire was used to collect the data. The research instrument survey are using questionnaire. The questionnaire is open-end questionnaire. 4 sections in the questionnaire, and it will conduct 5 Likert scale. Data collection procedure. First, we obtain the permission letter from faculty, then make an appointment with the company, next distribute the questionnaire, last collect the data and analyze. For the data analysis procedure, SPSS used to analyze the collected data, and then Pearson correlation was used to analyze the relationship between the organization, commitment, and GHRN. This is all from me. Thank you.